Let's start by splitting the Blender window vertically. The top section will be our navigation and camera view, while the bottom is reserved for the geometry node editor. Add a new geometry node tree. We don't need the default group input, so we can safely remove it. Then, insert a string to curve node and connect it to the group output. This gives us our text base. To monitor our animation clearly, split the top viewport again. On the right, we'll set up a dedicated camera view. This helps us keep track of how the text looks from the rendering perspective. Now, type your text into the string to curve node. To control its orientation, we'll add a transform geometry node and rotate the text 90 degrees around the x-axis. With the camera selected, adjust its position until the text is centered nicely in the render area. Next, we connect a fill curve node, followed by an extrude mesh node. Setting the extrude offset to about 0.2 gives the text thickness. At first, you'll notice the back of the text looks hollow and segmented. Switching fill curve from triangles to n-gons removes the extra segments, though the hollow back remains. To solve this, add a flip faces node. This ensures the normals on the backside are oriented correctly. This step is crucial if you plan to use effects like glass shaders, transparency, or subsurface scattering later. Combine everything with a join geometry node to finish the structure. For the dynamic typing effect, add scene time, multiply, and slice string nodes. A higher multiply value speeds up the typing. The slice string node determines how many characters appear at once, giving that realistic typing illusion. Group everything from string to curve up to transform geometry into a single node group. This modular setup makes it reusable for any text you want later. You can enter and exit the group using the Tab key. Inside the group, insert a set material node before the output. Then head over to the shader editor. Add a color ramp node to define your text colors. Initially, the text will appear in just one color. To spice things up, add an object info node and connect its random output to the color ramp factor. Now, the text appears in different colors based on your ramp choices. Make sure the material name in the shader editor matches the one used in the set material node. Now, when you press Tab, the typing effect will start and stop dynamically. This technique is useful for labeling crystal structures or annotating 3D models with text. And that's it. You now have a fully animated 3D typing effect using Blender geometry nodes, complete with colorful shaders. Experiment with different fonts, speeds, and materials to make it your own. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blender for crystallography tutorials.